In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're on the web or using the desktop app, this quick process lets you generate a shareable link in seconds, invite anyone, and jump straight into your meeting with the right settings. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. If you're in a browser, go to the Microsoft Teams website and sign in with your work or school account. The web version works great in modern browsers, and the layout closely matches the desktop app, so the steps look the same either way. On the main screen, look for the Meet option. Click Meet to open the quick meeting tools. This is where you can start something instantly or create a link you can send out ahead of time. Choose Create a Meeting Link. This is perfect when you don't need a full calendar invite, but still want an easy way for people to join. Teams will prepare the meeting details behind the scenes, so you don't have to set anything up manually. Next, click Create and Copy Link. Teams will generate the unique meeting URL and copy it to your clipboard. From here, you can paste that link into email, chat, or a message in your team channel. Recipients can open it from the web if they don't have the app, making it simple for guests to join. For clarity, consider adding a short message with the link that includes the meeting purpose and time. When you're ready to enter the meeting yourself, click Join. That takes you to the pre-join screen, where you can get your audio and video just right before entering. Adjust your mic and camera settings. Pick the correct microphone, speakers, and camera from the device menus, and toggle your camera or mic on or off as needed. If you're in a noisy space, turn on noise suppression. You can also apply a background blur or a simple background effect for privacy. A quick tip: select headphones to reduce echo, and if you plan to present, keep your mic muted until you're ready to speak. Finally, click Join Now. You'll enter the meeting lobby or the meeting itself, depending on your organization's settings. Share the link with participants and they can join whenever they're ready. That's it. You've created a Microsoft Teams meeting link, copied it for sharing, and joined with your preferred audio and video settings.